Welcome! In front of me I have CAT S62 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select the security. Here, scroll down, tap on the advanced, then select encryption and credentials. And here we have option called Clear Credentials. Tap on it, then tap OK to confirm. As you can see, credential storage is erased. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.